In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT app. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have the official ChatGPT app installed from the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and let's begin. First, click the Start menu on your PC. This is the Windows icon, usually at the bottom left or centered on your taskbar, depending on your Windows version. The Start menu is your quick gateway to apps and settings, and it's the easiest place to begin. Next, open the Microsoft Store. You might see it pinned right in the Start menu, or you can find it among your apps. The Microsoft Store is the trusted, built-in marketplace for Windows, and using it ensures you're getting the legitimate app with automatic updates and safety checks included. Once the store is open, click the search bar at the top. It's typically labeled with a magnifying glass icon. The search bar helps you jump straight to exactly what you need without browsing through categories. Make sure you're at the very top of the window so you're searching the entire store, not just a section. Now type ChatGPT. You don't need to worry about capitalization. Just spell it correctly as one word. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear beneath the search bar. This narrows down the results and helps you find the correct listing faster. From the results, select the official ChatGPT app. This is important. Look for the app that clearly identifies itself as the authentic ChatGPT application from the recognized publisher. Choosing the official listing helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get the genuine features, reliable updates, and the security you expect. Finally, click Get or Install. The exact button you see can vary. On some systems it shows Get First and then changes to Install, while on others it may show Install right away. When you click it, the Microsoft Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll notice a progress indicator, and you can let it finish in the background while you continue using your PC. If you're asked to confirm the download, that's normal. Just proceed to allow the installation to complete. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, opening the Start menu, launching the Microsoft Store, searching for ChatGPT, selecting the official app, and clicking Get or Install, you've used the safest and most straightforward method to add ChatGPT to your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what the app can do for you.